In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up online banking with Wise, OS full tutorial. First, head to wise.com or download the Wise app on Android or iOS. Tap sign up and choose whether to register with your email, Google, or Apple. If you use email, enter your address and create a strong password you won't reuse elsewhere. Select personal account or business if you're setting it up for a company. That's your Wise account created. Before you can use banking features, verify your email. Open your inbox, find the message from Wise, and click the verification link to confirm it's really you. Next, complete your profile. Log in and enter your full legal name exactly as it appears on your ID, your date of birth, country of residence, and your mobile number. You'll receive a one-time code by text. Enter it to verify your phone. Use a number you'll keep active, since Wise may use it for security checks. Now verify your identity. Wise is a regulated financial institution, so this step is required. Go to Settings, then Verification, and choose the type of ID you'll submit. Follow the prompts to take a clear photo of your ID in good lighting, making sure all corners and text are visible. Next, complete the selfie or short video liveness check as instructed. Submit everything and wait for approval. This can be as quick as a few minutes, but it may take 1 to 2 business days. You'll be notified when it's done. Once verified, open your Wise online bank details. Go to Balances, select Open a Balance, and pick a currency like USD, EUR, or GBP. Wise will generate local account details for that currency, for example, a US account and routing number for USD, a UK sort code and account number for GBP, or an IBAN for EUR. These work like real bank details you can use to receive money. Add funds to your account by choosing Add Money. For lower fees, pick Bank Transfer and follow the on-screen instructions for your region. If you need funds quickly, you can use a debit or credit card by entering your card details and confirming the payment. Just note card top-ups often cost more. If you want a physical card, go to Cards and order one, confirm your delivery address, and pay the one-time fee if required. The Wise debit card lets you pay online, withdraw cash, and spend internationally with competitive exchange rates. You can now use Wise like an online bank, receive international payments, send money locally and abroad, hold and convert multiple currencies, and pay bills or subscriptions all from the app or website. Finally, secure your account by enabling two-factor authentication, turning on app notifications, and never sharing one-time codes